Made a bubble. This is part 7, y'all. Wow! Imagine it shoot it here. Ready?
Okay.
I'll try to make a bubble again, guys.
I'll make it flatter and flatter until it gets flatter and
I
flatter.
didn't see it yet.
Guys, did you see it?
I don't
Tell
know.
me in the comments.
Of course they can see it. If they can see it, we'll just go like. I can get Mimi stand.
Stand.
Yeah, Mimi has a stand.
Yeah, the magnetic one.
Yeah.
But you said it was yours.
I got it.
Wait, the video? Oh, I thought the video. Oh no, I got the one.
Really? Okay, they'll see it now. They'll see it now.
Okay,
See.
this is a giant area for a giant bubble.
Alright, I'll make a small bubble.
You need two grown-up people to do
No,
it.
not grown up, and kids as well. Ready, set. Okay. Oof, oof. No, not mine.
No.
Wala si Mimi dyan.
Oh, I'm making tiny bubbles.
Okay, ready? Tiny bubbles. Set and... Oh!
That was so big.
Yeah.
Hey.
Come on, let's do it again. This time with this. Let's try it in the video.
Okay. Why do I look so blue?
I don't know. Oh my god. No, you get me as the getter. I'm a get, you'll get. But bro, that's so funny. You know me as a getter. I'm a get.
This way.
Here. Huh? Ready? Ready? Set and smush. Okay. Okay, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. You make it big.
I'm gonna make it spread.
Okay, oh! Okay, ready?
Tiny bubbles are trying to seek in.
Ready? Wow.
I'm still gonna make it expand.
So fun. Oh, it broke.
No, it didn't.
Did, see?
Just leave it there. Leave it that way.
Leave it that way. Leave it that way.